everyone, welcome to our channel, Sanchez Innovations. Today my daughter and I will show you how quick and easy we make some delicious sugar cookies with just some basic ingredients. I will leave a list of the ingredients and the amounts that we used in the description box below. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Right now we have 2 sticks of butter that have been softened. They've been sitting out for about an hour, and we're just gonna press them down until it's more spreadable. Okay, you're gonna continue to press it down and smear it until it is completely soft. Then we're going to add powdered sugar. So here I'm going to add some powdered sugar. Okay. And very gently, you're going to mix it together.
Just starting to mix in?
Yes, continue to press it down and smear it so that all the powdered sugar gets incorporated with the butter. So I think we're almost there. And now that all the powdered sugar has been incorporated into the butter, there's no more there's no more of the powdered sugar. We're going to add vanilla extract. Okay. Stir it gently
so that the vanilla extract doesn't fly away.
Okay, now that the vanilla has been incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add 1 beaten egg. Go ahead and add the egg.
Be very careful. A little pond. An egg pond.
Okay.
If you've got a spot like that, it's called an egg pond.
Okay, now go ahead and mix it in carefully again.
Oops. Now it's got raw egg. We cannot taste test. It's got raw egg. No taste testing in this part.
Yes.
Kids at home, whoever kid is watching this and baking with raw egg, never eat this step. It will taste bad.
It will make you sick too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are still incorporating the egg in here.
The egg kind of made it a little mushier.
Yes. Okay, make sure that when you are incorporating the egg that you stir, keep stirring, and it'll start looking the way it did before. Okay, once the egg is incorporated, then we're going to add a mixture, well, the dry ingredients, which is a mixture of flour, baking powder, and a little bit of cornstarch. So we're going to add 1/3 of this right now. Okay, here, go ahead and get this one and scoop some flour. Okay, and this flour and the cornstarch and the baking powder, we sifted it so it's nice and fluffy right now. Okay, add another scoop.
Everyone, you need only 2 scoops.
We're gonna put 1/3 of the flour right now. Okay, and then we're going to gently incorporate this flour into the paste.
Kids, whoever's watching this, do not eat this flour.
Okay, and right now we just finished incorporating the first 1/3 of the flour. Now we're gonna add another 1/3 of the flour. Carefully. Okay.
Everybody who's watching this, please smell the smell of the vanilla in it.
It smells sweet.
Mm-hmm.
And it smells like butter and sugar and vanilla. Okay, so we're gently gonna stir this in until the flour is incorporated. Okay, now that we incorporated the second part of the flour, we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining of the flour mixture. Go ahead and add the flour.
Kids, if you're making this,
we're gonna go ahead and mix this flour in, and then we'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, so we've mixed and mixed and mixed until all the flour was incorporated. Now the dough doesn't stick to the bowl anymore, and if you touch the dough, you can tell that it's soft and it doesn't stick to your hands. And so now it's ready for the next step. We divided the dough into two. The first part, we're putting it on parchment paper, and we're going to shape it into a rectangle. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the other half of the parchment paper over to cover it. Okay, and gently press on it a little bit more so it flattens out. And then we're going to flatten it with the rolling pin to the thickness that we need. We've been rolling it gently and flattening it down to form a rectangle. This is what it looks like now. So right now we're going to cover it back up, fold the edges. Okay, we wrapped up the dough, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole thing in the refrigerator. The dough was in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. We took it out, and now we've had it here for about 5 minutes, and it softened up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and use the cookie cutters. First I'm gonna unwrap it, and then we'll cut the cookies.
So this is how we cut our cookies. We've got to bake these cookies in our preheated oven.
Yes, we preheated it at 325 degrees.
It's because that's the temperature that cookies bake at. These cookies are gonna taste really good. Oh, that's the timer.
Perfect time. So we'll put the first batch of cookies in the oven.
And we're gonna do the second batch. We've got more cookies, but there are more.
We just put them in the oven. And we'll let you know how they turn out. Okay, here is our first batch of cookies. I baked them at 325 degrees, and it took about 29 minutes. They're still hot right now. I'm gonna wait for them to cool down just a little bit for 5 minutes before I move them over to cool completely. Meanwhile, we're still rolling and cutting up some more cookies.
Yep. I did this part all by myself.
Good job.
Thank you. Yep. Oh.
We're still cutting cookies. Okay, this is our first batch. and they already cooled down. The cookies are just lightly golden on the bottom and barely golden around the edges. Let me turn on the light here. You can see it a little bit. So they're ready. Okay, go ahead and taste one. What does it taste like? How is it? It's good? Mm-hmm. How does it feel? How does it taste?
Sweet.
Are they too sweet? No?
Buttery.
They're buttery. They sound crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we are. We made just over 40 cookies. We have some other ones in the oven right now. But yeah, here they are. I think this is the best batch that I've done. We've done, yes. These cookies are really good. Really, really good. They're sweet. They're crunchy. They're buttery. They're delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe.
They're good. They're old.
What is that? You want to try that one? Okay. What does it taste like? Yummy? You like it? Delicious? Yay.